Healthy food, happy wallet, eating well doesn't have to break the bank. Hey, everyone. Have you ever thought that healthy food has to be expensive? Think again. You can eat well without spending a fortune. It's all about making smart choices. We're going to look at how to shop smart. Get ready for delicious, healthy food that won't break the bank. This is easier than you think. We'll explore some simple swaps and clever tricks. Eating healthy should be for everyone, not just a select few. Let's get started on your journey to a healthier and happier you without emptying your wallet. Superstars on a budget, your new pantry heroes. In today's world, eating healthy doesn't have to break the bank. With a little bit of planning and some smart choices, you can fill your pantry with nutritious and affordable foods that will keep you and your family satisfied. Let's meet your new best friends in the kitchen, your budget-friendly food heroes. These are the ingredients that will help you create delicious, wholesome meals without stretching your budget. These ingredients are packed with nutrition and won't hurt your wallet. They are versatile, easy to store, and can be used in a variety of dishes to keep your meals exciting and diverse. First up, we've got oats. Oats are not only a breakfast staple but also a powerhouse of nutrition. They are rich in fiber, which helps keep you full and supports digestive health. Oats are a breakfast staple that will keep you feeling full and energized. You can enjoy them in various forms such as overnight oats, oatmeal, or even in baked goods. Next, we have rice, a versatile grain that can be used in countless dishes. Whether it's a simple side dish, a base for stir-fries, or the main ingredient in a hearty casserole, rice is a pantry essential. Beans are next on our list. Beans are incredibly nutritious and come in many varieties such as black beans, chickpeas, and lentils. They're a great source of protein and fiber. Beans can be used in soups, stews, salads, and even as a meat substitute in various recipes. Don't forget eggs. Eggs are an affordable source of protein and other essential nutrients. They are incredibly versatile and can be used in a wide range of dishes, from breakfast omelets to baked goods and even savory dinners. Canned tuna is a fantastic option for a quick and easy protein boost. It's perfect for making sandwiches, salads, or even adding to pasta dishes for an extra punch of protein. Frozen vegetables are a convenient and affordable way to get your daily dose of veggies. They are just as nutritious as fresh vegetables and can be easily added to soups, stews, stir-fries, and more. Lastly, we have seasonal fruits. Seasonal fruits are not only more affordable, but also fresher and more flavorful. They're a delicious and nutritious way to satisfy your sweet tooth. Enjoy them as snacks, in smoothies, or as a natural dessert. With these pantry heroes, you can create a variety of healthy, budget-friendly meals that your whole family will love. Price check, affordable versus expensive. You decide. Let's play a game. We're going to compare the prices of some common foods. You'll be surprised at how much you can save by choosing the budget-friendly option. Instead of buying that pre-packaged salad, why not grab a head of lettuce and chop it yourself? It's much cheaper and you can make it your own. Skip those individually portioned yogurts and buy a big tub instead. You'll get more bang for your buck. Ditch those expensive protein bars and opt for a handful of nuts and seeds instead. They're packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to mean spending a fortune. Section 4. Easy meals, happy tummies, delicious and nutritious on a budget. Eating well doesn't have to be expensive. With a bit of planning and creativity, you can enjoy meals that are both tasty and good for you without spending a fortune. Now, let's put those budget-friendly ingredients to work. Start by choosing versatile ingredients that can be used in multiple dishes. This not only saves money, but also reduces food waste. With a little creativity, you can whip up delicious and nutritious meals without breaking the bank. Think about incorporating seasonal produce, which is often cheaper and fresher. Also, consider buying in bulk for items like grains and legumes. How about a hearty bowl of oatmeal with fresh fruit and a drizzle of honey for breakfast? Oatmeal is not only affordable, but also packed with fiber and nutrients. You can customize it with different toppings to keep things interesting. For lunch, try a colorful salad with canned tuna, boiled egg, and a variety of veggies. Canned tuna is a cost-effective source of protein, and adding a mix of vegetables ensures you get a range of vitamins and minerals. Dinner can be as simple as a stir-fry with rice, veggies, and your choice of protein. Stir-fries are quick to make and can be adapted to whatever ingredients you have on hand. Plus, they're a great way to use up leftover vegetables. And don't forget about snacks. Healthy snacking can keep your energy levels up throughout the day and prevent overeating at mealtimes. Fruit, a handful of nuts, or some plain yogurt with honey are all great options. These snacks are not only nutritious but also easy to prepare and carry with you. Eating healthy on a budget is all about planning and making smart choices. Plan your meals for the week, make a shopping list and stick to it. Look for sales and discounts and don't be afraid to buy store brands. With these tips, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals without overspending. Section 5. Money matters. See the savings add up. Let's talk numbers. When it comes to managing your finances, every little bit counts. By making small, mindful changes to your shopping habits, you can see a significant difference in your grocery bill. By choosing budget-friendly options, you can save a significant amount of money on your grocery bill each week. It's all about being aware of the choices you make and understanding that even the smallest adjustments can lead to big savings over time. For example, swapping that pre-packaged salad for a head of lettuce could save you a couple of dollars per week. Not only is fresh lettuce often cheaper, but it also tends to be fresher and more nutritious. Plus, you can use it in a variety of dishes, making it a versatile addition to your meals. Choosing a big tub of yogurt over those individual portions could save you even more. Those single-serving containers might be convenient, but they often come with a higher price tag. By opting for a larger container, you get more for your money and can portion it out yourself, which is both economical and environmentally friendly. Over time, these small savings can really add up. Imagine putting away just a few extra dollars each week. It might not seem like much at first, but over the course of a year, those savings can accumulate into a substantial amount. Imagine what you could do with all that extra cash. Whether it's treating yourself to something special, investing in a hobby, or simply having a financial cushion for unexpected expenses, the possibilities are endless. You could put it towards a vacation, a new gadget, or even your savings account. Think about the long-term benefits of these savings. A dream vacation could become a reality, or you could finally get that new gadget you've been eyeing. Alternatively, building up your savings can provide peace of mind and financial security. Eating healthy on a budget isn't about deprivation, it's about making smart choices that benefit your health and your wallet. By planning your meals, buying in bulk, and choosing fresh whole foods, you can enjoy nutritious and delicious meals without breaking the bank. Remember, it's not just about saving money, but also about investing in your well-being. Section 6. Bonus tip. Unlock even more savings. Here's a bonus tip to maximize your savings. Plan your meals in advance and make a grocery list. This will help you avoid impulse purchases and ensure that you're buying only what you need. When you go to the grocery store, stick to your list. Avoid those tempting aisles filled with processed foods and sugary snacks. Remember, failing to plan is planning to fail. By planning your meals and sticking to your grocery list, you'll be well on your way to eating healthy without breaking the bank. Section 7. Join the journey. More delicious and affordable recipes await. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge and tools to eat healthy on a budget. Remember, it's not about deprivation, but about making smart choices that nourish your body and your wallet. For more delicious and affordable recipe ideas, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We're always sharing new and creative ways to make healthy eating easy and enjoyable. Join us on this exciting journey towards a healthier and happier you without spending a fortune.